Hello guys, I'm here again to explain you 7th day of February when I was trading. Okay, let's see the video that I recorded trading. You can see that this downtrend is not so good and very weak for signals. No signals at all. It was not good for trading at that moment. That I was waiting for any signal where I could get a small profit or something. Where the signal? Yeah, here was a signal for me. It's a very small signal. I buy 0.7 lot here, 6663. Okay, why? Let me show you on the chart the place where I bought, and then I explain you why I bought here. 666, about 66675. Yeah, about this one. Looks like this point. Okay, we remember that first of all we open 4-hour chart, and here we can see that this trend and uptrend crossed by the market. We draw here 4-hour chart level. It's better this point, yeah. We can see here downtrend. Okay, let's move to 1-hour chart because here is only one level and uptrend levels. Here we can see here level. We don't forget about these levels, yeah. And here level, one level, second level. You can see that here at 5-6 a.m. they stuck at this point because it's a level and they have to trade in this section to decide where to go, and they decided to go down. If for example you see that they decide go down, you can sell here a small lot and wait for trend. 40 pips, it's a good trend. Okay, let's move. Why bought here? I bought here because there is no actually good levels, only these levels. Yeah, these levels can work as well because it's open white screen. Yeah, you see here these levels are. I didn't even think that they will roll back from these levels at this point, because these levels were in January and they broke these levels with these huge impulse and roll back. They hit the stops, and all buyers are right here and all stops are here. But the market decide to get these levels. Sometimes some of my friends who trade as well, they control these levels as well. They tell that these levels work in the future as well, that these levels that were hit after it. So sometimes I watch this, but I didn't think that this exactly. I understood that after I opened my order. So let's tell you why I opened this order. I opened this order because this trend is quite big for from previous day to the morning of the next day, and I bought here. I was waiting for double low. You see here trend, roll back, trend, roll back, trend, roll back, trend, a huge trend, roll back, and they decided to give a huge trend the same as here, you see, huge, and here. They stuck after this low, they stuck and they stay in one position. For example, I didn't see that this level from 1 hour chart was there. Where is that level? 658, 665. Yeah, I didn't pay attention this level when I was buying. I just watched the situation that the market gave double low and stuck and didn't go down. They stuck, they give a continuation pattern and started reversing this pattern on M5 chart. That's why I bought here. It's a very difficult signal. You can catch this only if you are really a professional trader. And I bought here. I was waiting for a profit. It was very long to wait. Yeah, here I see an impulse, but this impulse didn't go up. A second impulse didn't. Yeah, it didn't go up, and I closed the order. Yeah, at this point it was a weak signal. It was a signal, but it's quite weak, and I immediately put stop profit on my order to protect it. Yeah, it hit my order. Then what I decide next there? Here I decide to sell. Why I sell here? Because I understand that this, you can see that this is a trend, a big trend on M5. Double low, a signal for buy. Here, let me show here. I close my order and the green candle down, and here I sell. I sell here 0.4. As you can see, it's small lot for me because the trend is going down and it's not so good to sell on the bottom of that trend because they can reverse. That's why I sold a small lot. Yeah, a trend. These are small rollbacks. Double low, buy, and this is a big rollback. Yeah, I was expecting for rollback a bit higher and giving me as minimum double top on rollback. Somewhere I was expecting here or here, giving me double top, and and on the double top I could sell again. But they changed the situation. They hit my order, and I thought that they are going to go down. Let's see what was next. Yeah, I thought they go down. I put the alarm levels on the second laptop to on the point somewhere here and here because it's very small flat. Yeah, here I understood that they are going down because it's quite good impulse for down. And they gave a back impulse up. Here I understand that this could be a third low or a fourth low. For example, this is a first low, second low, third low. So here I understand that, and I reverse. I open order 1.4 because this is one low, second low, third low, three lows, good lows. Trend, rollback. Don't watch these double low because it's very weak signal. I just bought it because I know that it can give profit, but it's better to wait a beautiful double low, not like that one. Okay, trend, roll back, second low, small roll back, and low. It could be one low, second low, but I see that one low, second low, third low. Here I close my sell order. I just reverse the orders with 1.4 lots, closing 0.4 and one lot is going up. Yeah, you see, I'm modifying my order, close this order, and one lot stays. And here I see that they are moving up somehow. Yeah, moving up. What? Yeah, here I understand that I have already one order with minus, no profit. That's why I decide to close half of order to cover my losses. Actually, there was no signals for closing. I only do this for covering my loss. Yeah. Okay, and I was waiting a long time waiting for profit. I was waiting till the evening. Yeah, they gave this impulse, roll back, and it was already about 8 p.m. and I wanted to go for a rest. And here on this small double top, I close my order at this point. 6992. Here it is. 6992. Somewhere this candle. Yeah, and you can see I was right. They gave this rollback. And yeah, before that I knew that somewhere here is a level. Yeah, you see here is a level. If we open 7114 703 7114 703. Yeah, we can see here this low, and here is this low, this zone where I told you about this point, that one low, second low, and they stuck in this section. They roll back in this point. You see this zone. This zone, yes, small. It's that one. And this rollback is this trend. And they gave a double top. I didn't want to wait till they give a clear double top. I just close it and go for relax. Again, you can see that I'm using just the levels for aims and opening or closing orders. Yeah, I can explain you this, how I made this. This small double low, if you can see, not good signal, but you could buy here as me, because they stayed a lot of time at one point, from 11:15 to 1 hour stay in one position, and the candles are going up, so you can risk and buy here as I did, but make sure that you have to close your order quickly if they go down or if they roll back, how I did right here. Okay, this day was very easy for trading, but not so good because very long to wait, these 30 pips, lazy day. Okay, see you in next video.